this is Kathy. Here I want to share a very simple food recipe for fatty liver. So nowadays, so many people had a fatty liver, right? So there's two kinds. One's caused by alcohol, one's non-alcohol, but they all seems quite popular now. So this doesn't matter what kind of fatty liver. Hawthorn, Goji Berry, and Rhubarb. So 20 gram, 20 gram, 5 gram, and put everything together and put into a pot. After the water boiling, turn to the medium heat. Boil maybe for 30 minutes. Put everything into a bottle and could bring with you to your office or school, right? And when you finish the water, and put in more boiled water. So this is for a whole day, for the 1 day dosage. So for fatty liver, you also have to make sure, keep in mind, cut all the fructose drinks. So all the juice. You could eat a little bit of fruit, but try to cut as much as you can. Never touch juice. Eat more fiber, good quality of protein, and of course more exercise, and moderate your stress level. So for people already seems easy to lose their temper, get angry, make sure that try don't that easy to get angry. That will mess up even more your fatty liver, right? And for people who are not caused by alcohol, try to lose weight. That's very important. And we find out if you are overweight, probably 80 or 90% you will get fatty liver. So it's so popular now. Because now so many people have overweight, so that makes the fatty liver also popular. So no food had added sugar and more fiber, more good quality of protein, no juice, especially no fructose, because all those fructose have to use our liver to digest. It will give heavy burden to our liver. So for this, you see this goji berry is very good for protect our liver function. And this detox, right, rhubarb, promote our bowel movement. And hawthorn is very good for cholesterol to dissolve it and promote the circulation too. You can add some green tea if you like. That will be no problem. That will make a tea, right? Fatty liver reducing tea. If you don't like the tea, like the green tea or black tea, then just these three will be good enough. Then we call it anti-fatty liver drinks, right? They're all okay. Okay, so hope this will offer some relief to your fatty liver. Another thing you can do is Acupressure. 4 fingers above your waistline in the middle. So there's a point on both sides. So squeeze like this. 1, 2, 3. That could help you reduce the symptoms of fatty liver. But we know that for most people actually don't have any symptoms. So that's make it even more dangerous. You don't know you have fatty liver, right? And when you begin to feel the symptoms, will be quite a late stage. For example, you feel so bloated after you eat. You feel tired, right? And you feel no appetite. That's probably already late stage. So try to prevent it by control your weight, avoid any juice. That's important. So for fatty liver, as I mentioned before, you have to eat a lot of vegetables, fresh one, right? For example, like this broccoli, this cabbage, this is seaweed. That's very good. So try to eat more. And the garlic, for example, turmeric, that's all very good for our fatty liver issues. Following vegetables are also very good for fatty liver, like kale, cucumber, mushroom. Try to add more to your daily foods routine, right? But kale, I prefer to cook it. That seems better for us. Exercise, including like cardio, right, or muscle training exercise, you need to do both. So you need to go running, biking, swimming, HIIT, if you could do that, jogging, or you do go to the gym, do push-up, use muscle training exercise, squats, plank, and all those exercise all important for our fatty liver recovery. Thank you for watching my channel. Good luck to you.